Hello friends, I'm Shweta. Welcome to my channel. If you like my content, then subscribe to the channel. Your support inspires me. Let's start today's journey. Applied biochemistry begins in the world of living organisms, where countless chemical reactions happen every second. Inside every cell, food is converted into energy, new molecules are built, and waste is removed. Scientists discovered that if we understand these chemical processes, we can use them to solve real-life problems. This idea gave birth to applied biochemistry, the branch that connects biology and functions with practical life applications. It is used in medicine, agriculture, food production, in hospitals and laboratories. Applied biochemistry plays a life-saving role. Doctors use biochemical tests to detect diseases. Blood samples reveal information about sugar, cholesterol, liver function, and kidney health. These tests help diagnose diseases early. Inside the human body, many diseases begin with small biochemical changes. Lack of insulin leads to diabetes. DNA damage leads to cancer. Hormonal imbalance of scientists use this knowledge to develop medicines. Antibiotics kill bacteria. Antiviral drugs stop. Antibiotics kill barbrings, and antiviral drugs stop virus growth by targeting specific.
Plants depend on biochemical processes like photosynthesis and nutrient absorption. Applied biochemistry helps farmers improve crop production. Plants depend on biochemical processes like photosynthesis and nutrient absorption. Applied biochemistry helps farmers improve crop production. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients: nitrogen for growth, phosphorus for roots, and potassium for plant health. Pesticides protect crops from insects and diseases. Biochemistry helps design safer and more effective chemicals. Scientists also modify plant genes to create stronger crop and he's orchidomodified. These genetically modified plants resist pests, survive drought, and produce higher yields. Even the soil itself is thriving with biochemical activity. The bacteria within it help facilitate nitrogen fixation and decomposition. Food is not just cooked, it is scientifically processed. Fermentation is used to make bread, yogurt, cheese.
Pasteurization kills harmful bacteria. Preservatives increase shelf life. Biochemistry also helps in analyzing food content like proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. This ensures safe and healthy food for people. Without applied biochemistry, modern food production would not be possible.
Now the story moves into industries. Factories use enzymes and microorganisms to speed up production. Enzymes help in detergents for stain removal, textile processing and papersfiss. Industries also produce biofuels like bioethanol and biodiesel from plants and waste materials. Pharmaceutical industries use biochemistry to produce antibiotics, vaccines, insulin, and vitamins on waste materials. Pharmaceutical industries use biochemistry to produce antibiotics, vaccines, insulin, and vitamins on waste materials. Pharmaceutical industries use biochemistry to produce antibiotics, vaccines, insulin, and vitamins on
Wastewater treatment plants use bacteria to break down harmful waste into harmless substances. This process keeps water clean. Biodegradation helps decompose organic waste naturally. Bioremediation uses microorganisms to clean polluted soil and water. Biochemistry also explains the carbon cycle and helps scientists.
To understand how we address global warming, we must look at how biochemistry acts as a natural cleaning system. Inside every living organism is DNA, the blueprint of life. And applied biochemistry helps
scientists read and understand this genetic code. DNA controls how proteins are made and how the body functions.
With genetic engineering, scientists can produce insulin artificially, create disease-resistant crops, and treat NOP. PCR technology helps in DNA testing, disease diagnosis, and forensic science. They speed up reactions without being used up. They work at normal body temperature and are highly specific.
Enzymes are used in medicine, industry, food processing, and research. Without enzymes, life processes would be too slow to sustain living organisms.
The human body depends on vitamins and hormones. Vitamins support growth and prevent diseases. Vitamins regulate body functions. Insulin controls blood sugar. Thyroxine controls metabolism. Adrenaline controls stress response. Inarmed. Applied biochemistry is evolving rapidly with new technologies like CRISPR gene editing, synthetic biology, stress response. Inarmed. Applied biochemistry is evolving rapidly with new technologies like CRISPR gene editing, synthetic biology, green biotechnology. These innovations will solve major problems in health, food, and environment. The future promises better medicine, stronger crops, and a cleaner planet.
Applied biochemistry is evolving rapidly with new technologies like CRISPR gene editing, synthetic biology, nanobots.
Today, we look at CRISPR gene editing, synthetic biology, nanobiotechnology, artificial innovations. These innovations will solve major problems in health, food, and environment.
The future promises better medicine, stronger crops, and a cleaner planet.
Thank you for watching. The next video is about a chart diagram and a very short answer with important exam questions from this topic.